Today's video, we're going to be reviewing this wash bar light. It's a 2-pack from OPPSK. You're actually seeing them flash behind me now. Let's get it started. Welcome to Dad's 10 Tech Reviews, where our goal is to help you work smarter, not harder, by reviewing everyday items we might find on Amazon. We review them for you so you don't have to do it. So this light bar, the light bars you're actually seeing right now, are currently on sale on Amazon for $105. We're gonna get into all the features, how they perform. And by the way, this is driving me crazy, so I'm gonna have to just switch this up real quick so it doesn't keep flashing. This is how easy it is. I literally just went on my phone, used the app, and we're now to a different mode. So anyhow, we're gonna get to that in just a second. So let's get to this review. Main features of this, and this one is cool. It is waterproof. Yes, it is waterproof. Now, how waterproof is it? It says IP66, whatever that means. I'm not a waterproof guy, but it does say it works in bad weather such as rain, snow, sleet, and snow. They said snow twice. Oh, really works in the snow. I would be using this indoors just like this, but it can be used for Christmas time, right? So anyhow, let's get to some of those other functions that you're gonna learn about in just a second. One other feature that they thought of on this is on the back, there's like these fin-like layers, basically that lets the heat kind of dissipate off the back side of the light. So there are no fans on these lights, which is great. Because I have another pair of OPPSK lights that I really like, but they have fans going all the time, so I gotta worry about in post-editing and stuff. These are dead silent. The lights are either app controlled or remote controlled. I prefer the app, super easy. I love the dials and all the different stuff on here. So I would be using the app. This I probably would never even use. You can change the brightness of these, both lights, depending on how bright you want them. I'm just right here on the app. I'm dimming that one. You can see right behind me. And yeah, we're gonna get to that, how fast this responds. But anyhow, that's gonna be in performance, but you can dim the lights. It has a timer function. You can set it on your app. So if you're like, okay, I want these lights to be up for Christmas, put them outside. It's waterproof. So you put them outside and you're like, okay, I want them to turn on from 6 to 9 p.m. Boom, there you go. Put it in the timer, schedule. There's like a schedule, it's called schedule. You go on there, bam, set it up, and you're good to go. You can sync these with music. So you set up the music, and I'll show you that in the performance as well. Then get the little music going. These things are bouncing around. They're doing a lot of fun. Really, really cool. Another really cool feature to this is it has a memory function. So if you like to have certain lightings for certain type of events or certain type of videos that you're recording, if you have it up on stage, you can set up, okay, I want it to look like this every time. It's gonna save the brightness, the color, all of that stuff for you. Memory function, I like it. So what comes in the box? How easy is it to put together? You're seeing it right now. You're seeing me open this box. It took me probably 5 minutes to twist on the things, put them together, get it all set up. I'm not hanging them, so that's easy for me. I just twist in the side connectors and I'm all set up really to plug in, scan the app, download the app, get that all prepped and ready. A lot of people want to know what these type of lights are made of. Okay, so my last review of the other OPPSK lights I've done a couple, you're gonna see that. I'll put it up here for you guys to check out. Those are made out of plastic, and you can tell they're made out of plastic. It's durability might be an issue with that, but I'm gonna leave them in here, so really shouldn't have any issues with that. But these things are made of aluminum. They're tough, they're durable. I'm like, man, these things are, they're not heavy. I wouldn't say they're heavy, but they're durable. You could tell that you're not gonna have any issues with these. They look really good. The lights themselves have this really strong, thick plastic that's covering the top of it. It gives it this really beautiful look even when they're not on. So I mean, these are made really, really well. Now to the performance, they say that there is 16 million different colors that you could do with this.
Is that for real?
There probably is, because the color bar here is basically anything and everything, right? I'm not gonna be going through all 16 million, you're welcome, but we will be showing you some of the main features that I think you guys care about, such as the music and all that other stuff. So anyhow, let's get to the performance. This is the fun part.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah.
I'm gonna turn that off. Look, it's picking up my voice right now because I have it on sensitivity super high. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually change the style of song. We're gonna see what it does with that. I'd imagine most people are gonna be using this with hip hop anyway, or dance music or something like that. But anyway, we're gonna mix it up here.
Silent night, I only have one wish for the shooting star. Holy night, send me someone to love so I can.
All right, that's enough of that. So you see, very sensitive. You can actually change the sensitivity of the beats and how it's gonna beat with everything just from the app itself. Here, you would go to rhythm, okay? And what you're gonna do is you can see that one's up here and it says sensitivity. All you do is slide that bar across. You gotta put it on your phone mic if you're gonna be using this, or you can set it to music. You can actually play music too. So device mic, phone mic, or device. Now it's on phone, so it's hearing me, so it's basically reacting to my voice right now. Now what I wanna do is I wanna test the sensitivity of the app to the actual lights themselves. Let me get over to this one so you guys can see this one a little bit better because I'm kind of blocking this one. So we're just gonna tap it and we're gonna see how fast it responds. Boom, red, going green, little yellow, light blue, dark blue. Let's change the brightness level, see how fast it responds. And you can see it is responding incredibly fast. So here on the app, if you're looking, you can actually set up different colors that you want. So you can have like the memory, right? You're like, okay, I want it to remember this color. So you can set up the different colors that you want, or you can just go straight here and you start changing it from the RGB color wheel here, and you just start kind of just changing it to the colors you want. Oh, that one looks kind of cool. So now you've got that one, and if you wanted to add it, you would just hit the plus button, and now it is on there as a set color that I can use. Now there's all kinds of other modes we can do in here. You basically just tap the mode button at the bottom, and this one's a 7-color energy one. It just has 7 different colors. Cool, you can change the speed on it. You don't want it to go that fast, slow it down. You don't want it to be that bright, lower the brightness. There's another one called Magic Black. So again, you can change the speed on it. If you want to slow down, speed up, magic forward, autoplay. There's up here, it's called curtain, flowing, tail, run. I mean, it's just crazy, you guys. It just goes on and all kinds of different things. I mean, look at this. Look at this, it's so cool. You can do all kinds of stuff. Yellow run, slow it down. Now we got this cool little, I mean, it's almost endless here, guys. It's really cool. Then there's another feature called scenes. And if you look at scenes there, what you can do is you can be like, okay, we're having a party. I just want to do this, and it's a set thing. You can't change this one. So it's party. You just go set, party. All right. Now we're doing casual. We're doing more casual. Let's slow it down a little bit here. We're having our wine, you know, our cigars. We're maybe some cheese and crackers or something like that. I don't know. Casual, very casual, more slow, more peaceful type of thing. Then you have a quiet, you have a lunch break. We're not going to go through all of these. Then there's the scheduling, like I showed you, bottom, there's this schedule. You go there and you set up your schedule right there on the app, and the lights will turn on your schedule. It's awesome. This is why I was telling you guys, you'll probably never use this remote. I mean, you might maybe just go turn them on and off if you're like, oh, let's turn on. But I mean, why do that when you have the app? The app can literally control everything. It is so easy. Go straight to the adjust button. You can go to each one of these lights and off, and they're both off. Oh, nope, I'm ready to record. Boom. Now they're on and we're going. And you're like, this is just too easy. I mean, it really is just too easy. Look at this. I'm already back to where I want to be just from tapping on the app, and we're ready to rock and roll again. Does this get the Dad's Den stamp of approval? 100%. This is a 5 out of 5 in my book. These are durable, they're easy to use, they're bright, they're beautiful. I mean, look at these colors, guys. This is just some good looking lights. OPPSK, I mean, they are putting some great lights out right now in the market on Amazon. You guys really need to check them out if you're looking for light bars, even just stage lights that go straight up. I have a couple stage lights. We had one light bar, really long light bar that we reviewed. If you want to check that one out, you can check that out. But of the 3 that I've actually tried from Amazon from OPPSK, I think these are my favorite. These are my absolute favorite. These are so cool. The app is super user-friendly. So much you can do with these. I'm excited about these lights, honestly. The other ones that I have, I'll probably be moving out and using somewhere else maybe. I don't know, but I've got them and I like these ones a lot. These are keepers. I'm keeping these. These will not be leaving this office anytime soon. Dad's Den stamp of approval. There it is. You guys need to go check these out if you're looking for some stage lights or some wash lights. This is a wash light bar. This is what it's called. It's 2-pack, and it's currently, again, $105 right now on Amazon. They're 10% off right now. I don't know if that's a Christmas time sale or what that is, but you got a 10% off. So boom, there you go. Go get them right now. Link is down in the description. Go check them out if you want to purchase them, or if you just want more information about them, you want to see other reviews about them, go check it out. Link is down in the description. Also, anything else that I've been using today, from my cameras to my lighting equipment to my microphones, anything else you guys want to check out, links will be down in the description. You guys can go check that out. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go subscribe and watch this one. All right, we'll see you guys next time.